Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Alright, could you give me your name and what's in here first?
Antonio, and I've got 4 Godfather 15s on a Taramps Space 30K.
Taramps 30K, 1, 2, or half?
One of them.
Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice.
It was done in a week. Had to get it ready for.
Alright. So is it, could you tell me the specs on the enclosure, like tuning or anything?
It's a 2-to-1, 2 to 50.
To 50?
Yeah, it'll play down to about 25.
25? Okay. Alright. I'm ready.
Goddamn boys and men looking nigga. MC Brain, goddamn tied shirt wearing ass nigga. Niggas that want it first. My stomach hurts, so somebody finna get shitted on. My vision long and I could've seen this from a mile away. You niggas is ending your careers, we coming about the gate. We the current demand. Y'all ain't hungry, you bitches thirsty. Here's a courtesy can. Stuff to see it. We get a book for the same shows that y'all was trying to offer.
Wow.
Knowing that I'm throwing.
Awesome, man.
Yeah, it's a little windy.
Yeah, it's really good.
I've got some lows. I don't know what you're really trying to put on the channel.
Let's do it. Do some more low, sure. Play something on the low end a little more. All right. Come here. Hair trick?
Oh, yeah.
You want a hair trick? Hair trick. Double hair trick. All right. I'm ready.
I'm a rich blood by the way. And don't have a swag rolling O's like a tape. Bitch scared, yeah, I got these bitches on the base. Don't wanna talk, man, I say I need some space. My new car geeked up. I just paid that car. Money in the mattress,
Sure, man.
going to get him.
That's really good for 1 week build, and you got it ready for the shot. You definitely
Still
musical.
problems with the bass knob, but it is what
Is it cutting out from the RCAs or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. I'm gonna go check out the back. Is it open for amps?
Yeah, I'll open it.
Stays pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm not really working it that hard. I'm working the subs more than I am the amp.
Yeah. That amp put some power out though. And you're probably not, have you burped it for a meter score yet? Just for gauge?
We'll do a 59,
59?
At 28.
Awesome, wow.
I did base wars at 30 hertz, did 59.3 too.
Okay.
It's pretty flat down low.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the demo.
Looking nigga, MC Brain, goddamn tired shit. So you the fuck niggas that want it first. My stomach hurts, so somebody finna get shitted on. My vision long and I could've seen this from a mile away. You niggas is ending your careers, we coming about the gate. We the current demand. Y'all ain't hungry, you bitches thirsty. Here's a courtesy can. Tough to see it. So you the fuck niggas that want it first. My stomach hurts, so somebody finna get shitted on. My vision long and I could've seen this from a mile away. You niggas is ending your careers, we coming about the gate. We the current demand. Y'all ain't hungry, you bitches thirsty. Here's a courtesy can. Tough to see it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.